I'm about to share with you one of the most ironic things about nursing school / the nursing profession. So it is literally one of the most team-based career paths out there. And I'm going to tell you what I mean by that. If you have a patient who is rapidly declining and decompensating in the hospital, what do you normally do? You call RRT, which stands for Rapid Response Team. If your patient codes, you call a code blue. And who's the first people to show up? Your fellow nurses that work with you on your unit. You have a bedbound patient who requires every 2-hour turns. Now, maybe or maybe not, they require the use of equipment. At my hospital, the policy is at least 2 people, bare minimum, when you're using any kind of mobilization equipment. So you need help. Or what about when you need to waste a narcotic? You need another nurse for the sign-off. I think I've made my point. You need the other nurses that you're working with. You guys are a part of a huge healthcare team. You will not be able to provide adequate quality healthcare service to your patients without the help of the nurses that you're working with. So if nursing school is supposed to be preparing you for real world nursing, can somebody tell me why nursing school is so toxic? I literally remember it being so uber competitive, very cliquey, just not the most healthiest environments to be in. And if your program is anything like mine, nursing professors actually foster that kind of competitive spirit and in many ways egg it on. But I really wanted to get on here just to say to all of you nursing students who are currently enrolled in a program and feeling the stress of the competitive nature, feeling like you don't have a support system, just know that those who are causing you to feel that way, that's not going to fly in the real world. When you are actually a practicing nurse, it doesn't matter if someone got a better grade than you on the pharmacology test. It doesn't matter if they get better reviews for different clinical rotations. Because in the real world, what matters is taking care of your patient, making sure that you keep them alive, safe, as healthy as possible. And you guys are going to need each other to be able to do that. So real world nursing, so team focused. Nursing school should do a better job at making that very plain and getting you guys in the habit of working together as teams. Now, if you're a part of a program that is actually doing that, good for you. But I know there's a lot of nursing students out there enrolled in programs where that is just not the environment. And so I say to you, things do get better, and just know that you do not want to carry that attitude into the hospital or whatever other kind of facility that you plan on working at once you get licensed. It is a team job, so don't be toxic.